Okay, after that video you saw the train set that my niece got me. Beautiful train set. Sounds great. But anyway, here's our caboose that we're going to work on. Pennsy Porthole here. We're going to try to get her lit up. I'm still undecided. We'll see what it looks like with the glass that comes with it. But I may wrap it with parchment paper or add something to the interior glass to soften the harsh light. So I just have this foam piece here that I got out of some packing material just to keep the paint from getting scratched, if at all possible. But this is a modern era caboose, so I'm not quite sure how they come apart yet. We'll learn together. But you know what I noticed is this ladders and the steps, they're like a rubbery plastic. It's a different feel from the hard plastic of days gone by. But you see, it can and will accept some type of light socket. I don't know what they have available. But what we're going to try and put in, of course, is this constant lighting module here. This is from Henning's Trains online there. This is what I used in the caboose of my nephew on the previous videos. So and here's the LEDs that I'll use right here. Self-adhesive on the back. Connected. Oh, well, that's not. Oh, landed on its wheels. Good thing. Maybe this foam isn't the best product to use. But anyway, I was saying, on here you solder your wires to these two copper circles here. And then you have a strip of 3 lights ready to go. Alright. And then I wonder if I could pull that. There we go. That's better. Then I found this online on eBay. It's a pickup roller. And it's for these modern era trucks that are plastic on the side. But I guess these contacts here, why don't I use the screwdriver? We'll touch the axles, not the wheels, but the axles. And that'll be our outside rail. And then this will be our center rail pickup here. Little hole in this contact for the center rail. Trying to do this upside down as usual. Little hole there to put our wire, solder one on. But these are supposed to snap in to the truck somehow. I haven't tried it yet. We're going to discover on our own. Of course, we'll have to make sure this tab is facing the center of the caboose, so the wire can just come out here and go up inside the hole there. So what we got to do first, though, is get this taken apart. See a couple tabs here. Oh, okay, that's the same kind of plastic as the ladders and steps. Oh, here we go. Here we go. There's screws right here. Way down in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's cool. Well, we'll do that then. We'll see what happens when we pull these out. You know what? Let me get my magnet on the screwdriver here so I don't lose these screws. It's a good way to make a magnetic screwdriver if you don't have one handy. See? Holds the screw quite nicely. Then you can just set them aside or stick them to the magnet just to hold them while you're working. Alright, go for the second one here. Well, they're not too tight, they come out pretty easy. I hope the posts are okay, you know, that. Have they improved the posts since post-war? One to this side. I hope this is all that's holding it. I don't know if those tabs for the railings and steps are holding it or not. We'll see. Those two hung on to each other. Alright, let's put these screws in our little tray here so they don't get away from us. Alright. Alright, see the trucks are riveted on this one here. I don't know if there's horseshoe clips on the other side or not. Oh, okay, it just pops off of those little notch for the handrails and steps. Oh, just pull that away. Okay. There we go. Yeah, those are rivets on there. There are no horseshoe clips holding the trucks on. So. That's alright. We're doing good here. I guess you could replace the trucks with metal side bolsters, but these are nice. I like them. They're pretty detailed for plastic. Alright, let's set this aside. Okay, there's the glass in there. Yeah, look at that. That's okay, that's cool. That feels like a rubberish plastic. To me, anyway. I don't know what it's made out of. Or maybe it's just because it's thinner, it bends easy, but I don't know. I'm unknowing. Okay, so... Oh, well, for God's sakes, look at this. There's the post for the screws. But take a lot. I don't know if I can zoom in good enough or not. They're dovetailed in. Look at that. You see the dovetail here? Right here. Isn't that something? I never saw that before. Well, that's nice. So if you break one, let's see how easy they come out. Not bad. There it is. Slides right out of the dovetail. How about that? There it is. Let's move it this way. Isn't that something, huh? Pretty cool. Well, that makes it better than the old post-war that, you know, you had to rebuild them with epoxy or something. And very good. I'll be darned. That's a good idea. Lionel, you done good there. Okay, so very good. And we'll set that one aside for now. If we have to pull the glass insert, it looks like those will all have to come out to get past the screw post. The glass will have to slide past it. We'll have to pull the screw post out of there. But we don't need to do that yet. We're going to work on our trucks. So, very good. Don't you just love that? Look at that. That's beautiful. All right.